What's up, beauty crew? For today's video, we're going to be doing part 2 of the holiday red and gold nails. This is going to be the bling part, so let's go ahead and get started. So I know it's a little different because I don't have the nails on myself, but that's only because I kept hitting them left and right. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take these off. So I took them off and I put on some little shorty nails, but I still wanted to do the bling for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy at least the bling. I love bling accents. And I know it's sometimes hard to find bling placement, but you can honestly use any shapes that you have. Never underestimate just a nice circle rhinestone because you can jazz that up too. So now what I'm doing is just going to add a little bit of micro beads just as accents around certain rhinestones. I'm going to do both sides of the teardrop, and then I think I'm just going to sporadically place them around the round ones a little bit. You don't want to go overboard with the micro beads because they just are supposed to accentuate the rhinestone. You're not supposed to take away from it. And voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know down below on what you want to see next. I'm trying really hard to get to 100 videos by the end of the year, so don't forget to subscribe so you can see all those new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!